Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, we will show you how exactly you can log into your Weebly account so you can start editing your website. So let's jump right in. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device. It can be any web browser, and once you are on your web browser, search for the Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you visit the Weebly's official website, you can see a hamburger option which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. From there, click on the option saying login. Now, if you already have an account, enter your email or username and click on next. If you don't have an account and you want to create a new, click on the sign up option, and you can also use different options in order to log in. Like you can use Facebook account, you can use your Google account, as well as you can use your Square account. For this video, I will be clicking on login with Google, and once you click on it, you will get different options on your which email do you want to continue it with. Once you have selected your desired email address, you will be logged into your Weebly account, and this is the main dashboard. And here you can perform different tasks such as editing your website, setting up your domain, and publishing your website. And now you know how you can log into your Weebly account. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.